In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove my payment information from Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your desktop and head to the main Leonardo AI interface. Once you're in, look for the settings area. This is where account level options are usually managed, including anything related to payments and subscriptions. After opening settings, click on subscription and billing. This section contains the tools for managing your plan and the payment methods connected to your account. If you've never visited this page before, don't worry, you're just moving through the account management flow to reach the billing portal. Next, select Update Payment Method. This will typically open the secure billing management page where your saved payment details are listed. On that page, find the payment method you want to remove, then click the three dots beside it. That menu gives you additional actions for that card or payment option. From the menu, click Delete. In many cases, that's all you need to do to remove the saved payment information from your account. However, if the delete option won't let you continue, there's an important reason for that. Usually, this happens because there's still an active subscription tied to that payment method. If that's the case, go ahead and cancel the subscription first. Once the subscription is no longer active, return to the payment method and try the delete option again. At that point, you should be able to remove the payment information successfully. As a helpful tip, make sure you review your billing status before closing the page, just to confirm the subscription has been canceled if needed and that the payment method is no longer listed. Taking that extra moment can help prevent confusion later. And that's how to remove your payment information from Leonardo AI Desktop.